Welcome back to another Test Stuff install tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install our screen protectors for Tesla's newest 16-inch QHD display, which at the time of this recording is only available on the performance and premium trims of the Model Y, but if and when this screen comes to the Model 3 or the standard trims, then this video will be applicable to those as well. Now, everything that you're going to need for the install is included in your kit, and I'm actually replacing this screen protector as it ended up saving my screen. I had the screen off, dropped it, landed on a little metal piece, clipped the top, and the screen protector ended up taking the blunt force of the damage. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel it right off, and as you can see, if you ever need to remove it, it removes nice and clean. First thing you're gonna wanna do is kill all airflow inside the vehicle. So turn off your HVAC system and roll up your windows. So once you've done that, go ahead and open up your kit. Once your kit is open, you're gonna grab the white cleaning pouch, open it up, and hop on in here to your car settings, go down to display, and then screen clean mode. This makes it to where you can touch and everything without affecting it. Included is going to be a microfiber cloth. Of course, if you already have one, you can use that one, a wet wipe, and then some dust removal stickers. To be honest with you, you're probably not going to need the dust removal stickers, but we still include them just in case. So go ahead, grab your cleaning wipe. This is just going to remove all of the oils and stuff from your hands. Now grab your microfiber cloth. Like I said, we do include one. It's a decent size too. You can just keep it in your car to clean your screen protector after the fact. There we go. Make sure you don't touch your screen again. Grab your screen protector. Of course, there are two in here. It's going to be the bigger one. Remove it from its protective housing. And you don't got to peel anything off the back. All you got to do is just line it up, push it on. Fits nice and snug. As you can see here, all you do, you grab this little piece over here, and I like to push in on the screen. You don't push in too hard, because if you do, then you won't be able to glide this out, but as you can see here, there we go. Now press and slide. You may be able to see the screen protector already starting to adhere, so just press and slide, and then wait like 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, go ahead and where it says remove from here, grab, like to keep pressure on the screen, and then peel. Now this sometimes does happen, where it just won't peel correctly, and it's completely fine. Just, you can see where the exposed part of the screen protector is here, where you peel it out. I'm actually glad that did happen, just so I can show you just in case. But if not, and it peels right off, then you just take the alignment tool off. But if not, then push, put your thumb up under here, and then just like that, pops right on off. It's this piece right here that didn't peel off cleanly, in case you were curious. As you can see, we have a few air bubbles, not a big deal. We include a air bubble removal tool, and we also put a little soft part on the top, so you're not gonna scratch or mess up your screen. As you can see, these bubbles just come right out, no problem at all. And then anything else that you may see on the screen, like right here, we have a little, it's not a bubble, it's just where the adhesive hasn't like fully attached to the screen. Typically you can just push them in, but if not, just give it like 24 hours. It'll adhere perfectly. Like I said, keep your microfiber in case you don't got one. You can use this to clean your screen in the future, and just like that, we are done. If you're curious as to how my screen is rotating, I have a rotating screen mount. We also sell those as well. You can check that out here on the channel. But yeah, there we go. Press and hold, and this is a matte one, so it's gonna help reduce glare. Let's turn up the brightness. And there you go. Now let's hop to the back. As for the rear screen, head on into the settings wheel and then clean, which will do the same thing as the front. Wet wipe, still damp. Wipe the screen off. The microfiber. And then grab the screen protector. You'll see arrows for this side up. Peel the back off. And just line it up and place. And just like that, you're done. That's how you install our screen protectors for the new 16-inch QHD display in the currently Model Y, but if and or when they come to different models, then those as well. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to contact@teststuff.com, and I will see you all in the next one.